In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to record phone calls on an iPhone. In this tutorial, we're gonna use a third party named Tape a Call. It's a simple and effective solution. So, first, go to the App Store on your iPhone and search for the Tape a Call and download the app. Next, open the Tape a Call and sign up for an account. Activate the 1-week free trial to access the app's features. And follow the app's setup instructions, including setting up a recording number. Open the Tape a Call when you want to record a call, and then tap the red record button. Choose the record on outgoing or incoming calls, and for incoming calls, tap merge calls after answering. And when you're done, you can find the recorded calls in the recordings section of Tape a Call. With Tape a Call, recording phone calls on your iPhone becomes a seamless process, ensuring you capture important conversations whenever you need to. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.